Hi folks, super glad you opened up this email because if you didn't open it, you wouldn't be listening to me, and I've got some really cool things to tell you about. MT360, it is our newest event. It's happening in Santa Clara, California, the 18th through 20th of June, and we really want to see you there. It's going to be fantastic. It's a combination of a virtual factory where you get hands-on opportunities to actually touch some of the technology, talk to the people that are driving it, in the areas of augmented reality, additive manufacturing, cognitive automation, as well as the digital thread, kind of linking it all together. You'll find startup companies, solution cells with providers, as well as tech garages, some of the largest and leading companies in areas giving you a big perspective of what's happening. We also have a fantastic speaker series going on in our theater. The theater's got 600 seats to let people come and hear some of the best speakers in the industry. And since there's only 600 seats that can be part of the entire event, you really want to make sure you register as quick as you can. So all the information you need to do that is in this email. So click on the link, register, and you will not regret coming to this event. It will be fantastic. I hope to see you there.